in there. I put a little bit on here. This allows me to control it. Since a lot fell on there, I'm going to dab it on here because I don't want that much, which means I just want a little bit to go in there. That's why I say you need paper towels, but that came out of a box. So I'm just sliding it in this hole. I don't like I can't see where the hole at, but I don't like a lot because it lets me have more to play with. And I can pick up some here. This is the foam probably out of one of them boxes. This on this little thing. And then I just let the handy dandy heat gun. Let me flip this around because I don't want to touch this black no more. So what I'm doing is flipping it around so I don't touch the black anymore. But I wanted y'all to see it. And this is just foam that I probably got from a jar. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see on both candles. Okay, so then I just use my heat gun. I first hit the top part. And then I hit the side. That's all you're doing is mainly hitting the side. I just want to heat the side up. This purple. Good. Look, I done picked up purple. Oh, well. Shay, this your candle. Because I got my purple in a different way. I thought this was black. If somebody tell me, well, it's too late now because all my stuff, you can't see what colors they are. But Shay, this will be your candle. But it smells good. So what I'm doing is basically melting the wax on the side. And then I'm in control of where my wax goes. Depending on how much you want. I don't really touch the top till later. So what I do, because I don't want too much black all over everywhere, I will take this same thing and I just slide it. And this is all I'm doing. I'm rotating to where I want it to go. I'm picking up wax too. Because I don't want it to go everywhere. But I'm picking up wax too. So you're kind of controlling the design. Because what? My jar on the side is melted. And I'm controlling where the wax goes. To me, and I tell y'all this all the time, less is always best. From dressing to everything. You could do anything you want to. But sometimes less is always best. But I'm controlling where my color is going. Make sure y'all can see. Because I got to keep looking back at the cameras. And then I'm just controlling where my color is going. So when people say, oh my gosh, it don't look good. It does look good. But to me, I want the customer, and as a customer, I want them to see the swirls. So you're kind of creating your own swirls of where you want it to go because it's hot on the sides. I always use metal because metal does not hold color. Those wood ones do. So if you want to go down or up, you go all the way down to the bottom and catch it. And that's pretty much it. And then I'll take the heat gun because you see, I'm going to show you. Before I see how ugly it is at the top. But thank God for a heat gun. Thank you, Jesus, for a heat gun. So I'm going to just drip it back in here. I'm getting it off my skewer. And then all I'm trying to do is straighten up the top. I'm cleaning up the top. I really don't care how the top looks. It's going to be pretty. But I just want it to be a clean, even top, smooth top for my customer. When it dries, it's going to be really, really, really pretty. Because the more color you use, the more you got to deal with trying to control it. And if you wanted, oh shoot. See, I told you it to be messy. My hand's slippery, it's hot. So you could go around and just do just like that and let it solidify. And then I will take and wipe it with a alcohol wipe. Well, y'all know I got them disinfectant wipes that came from the hospital kind of sort of stuff. So I do wipe it down with that.